Friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Ali Asgar. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Today I want to describe about PLC. This is my second video. My previous video that was also the PLC. So if you are new of my channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe my channel and now the follow the previous video and this is the next video number 2 and this video I want to uh, describe about the Siemens PLC, various types of Siemens PLC, the various software, and this cable. Previous video when you was seen, that was the basic level of PLC and the history and the structure and the various types of input output and how does they make the PLC in the hardware and I want to describe it today what is the Siemens sector of PLC and the various types of Siemens PLC there are met Siemens Logo PLC, Siemens S7200 PLC, Siemens S7300 PLC, Siemens S71200 PLC, and Siemens S7 1500 PLC. First time I want to describe about the Logo series. The model is OVA02, OVA8. About 9 types of model in the market right now, and this is the previous and this is the update level of this company in the market right now. And this software, who is the software we want to program install and the program upload, download and read write the programs of this software Logo software component B6.1, B6.2 to B8.1. This is the update level software in the market right now, and this is the basic level. This previous model was only Profibus systems, and this is the Profinet systems also updated in the market. And cable name is Logo PLC cable. Okay, S7200 PLC. That's software is Microwin, and cable name is PPI, point to point cable. And this is the also 100 of models in the market right now. This is the previous model 200, 201, 202, and 222. This is the previous model and that not use still right now. And update level PLC is 2236, 2224. This is the update level PLC available in the market right now. And this software S7200 software is Microwin, and cable name is that means communication cable, PC to PLC, the which cable this that's name is PPI in the market. When you are say PPI, the buyer and who is the seller is easily understand the PPI, what is that. And this is the S7200 communication cable, PC to PLC PPI, point to point interface. And S7300, this is the software name is the Symmetric Manager, and cable name is MPI, multi-point interface. This is for only S7300. And a multi-brand of cable which are communicated to PPI and MPI also. This is a very rare case, and this is a very costly also. So specific PPI for S7200 and MPI for S7300 PLC. And software name is Symmetric Manager, very important. And S7200 for Microwin, S7300 for Symmetric Manager, and S71200, S72 very update level PLC. And this is the software name of TIA Portal, totally integrated automation. And that cable name is Local Area Network. That means we are available use in our practical life, in our house, in our industry available right now. This called is LAN, Local Area Network. Absolutely. S7200 also 100 types of model in the market right now. That's every module is useful in the sector of industry. And S7 1500, this is the update model and latest model of a Siemens PLC right now. This is the 7200. This also is 100 model in the market right now. Which model are you available and compatible for useful of your factory that use must be. And software name is totally integrated or TI portal also. And cable name is the same of S7200, that means LAN, Local Area Network. Profibus and Profinet system, those system is available in the PLC which category you want to which category, and this is the very useful, and this is the very flexible for users, for factory, and everything. So this is very easy communications to each another. The every device is on your LAN, and that's connected every from the port. Every device will be LAN or Fabrinet systems also must be. So this is the category of the Siemens PLC. That's you are seeing is one series start the logo. So you are a beginner, you must be start the logo PLC, and I want my next video will be a tutorial as a logo, then S7200, S7300, S71200, and S71500. Step by step my every video I want to describe about these topics, and how to program of this every kinds of a PLC step by steps. So let's go. Input output identify system of Siemens logo PLC. Not only logo is every Siemens series, or every Siemens types of PLC. That's input is identifies I, and output identify by Q, and timer. Very important. Timer T1, T2, T3 indicated by T, and counter C. So addressing is input is I1, output is Q1 to infinity, and timer is T1 to infinity. Counter is also that's input. That's the format base, and I describe in the programs in software. That times I will be described what is that. This is the format was the octal hexadecimal format. This is I1 to I8, Q1 to Q8 timer. This is the dependent on every steps, and counter is also there. So very important. Four kinds of some devices. Input, that means any kinds of sensor, proximity sensor, any kinds of analog sensor, and push button, selector switch. Any kinds of this device is absolutely dependent on the input when we are users, and output that will be motor, that will be any kinds of my destinations output that will be on. I want to on that we want to use it Q1 and Q2. And timer, that's the delay time. When you use the delay time, the 5 second, 10 second, 40 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, that's the delay time. This is when that times we are uses the timer. And counter is counting. Absolutely, this is a counting value when you uses the conveyor belt. Your product is going on, so that time you are counting is need very much need on the counting. That time you use the counter. Okay. Then a symbol of PLC. How that this is uses of this PLC right now. This is this simple. I want to describe my next video. So keep on watch my video, and support to me for the next video tutorial, and please subscribe, keep on of this sector, and keep on my channel, and must be if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share for the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, and click the bell icon for the next video tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Dear listeners, now talk about a symbol, some symbol, how to you identify there's some ladder programs. You must be know this category, the some symbol of sequence. This is the ano, normally open conditions. So this is the ladder symbol how you are uses the comport b6 point on our software in the logo. So that times you make contact these types of this is the MAC contact. This is the ano condition, normally open. This is when you were connected of any kinds of sensor, that will be on. Okay, ANSI normally close. This is the break contact in the program. So MAC contacts of for ano normally open, and break contact for ANSI. Okay, this is the close, and the relay coil. This is all kinds of output we are take from here. This is the relay coil, memory output or relay coil. or any kinds of output that's from here. So this is the relay call, this is the exactly my destination, my output. So make contact for ano, break contact for NC, and relay call, this is the my destination or output. Okay, thanks for video, watching my video, and keep on my video and support to me for the next video tutorial. uh, um, till then, Allah Hafiz.